Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a GMC owner and you've ever seen the dreaded fault code U0073 pop up on your scanner, you know that sinking feeling? It stands for Control Module Communication Bus Off, and it sounds pretty serious, right? Well, don't panic just yet. Today, we're going to break down exactly what this code means, what causes it, and most importantly, how you can fix it. So, what is this communication bus the code is talking about? Think of it like the nervous system of your truck. It's a network of wires, officially called the controller area network, or CAN bus, that allows all the different electronic modules in your vehicle to talk to each other. The engine control module, the transmission module, the ABS module. Even your radio and instrument clustered there, all constantly sharing information over this network. The U0073 code means that one or more of these modules has stopped communicating. It's like someone hung up the phone in the middle of a really important conference call. When this communication breaks down, you can experience a whole range of strange symptoms. You might see multiple warning lights on your dash all at once, check engine, abstraction control, you name it. Your truck might go into limp mode, with reduced power to protect the engine. In some cases, the engine might not start at all, or it could stall while you're driving. You could also notice your gauges acting erratically, like the speedometer dropping to 0, or your transmission shifting harshly. It's all because the different parts of your truck can't get the information they need to work together properly. So, what causes this communication meltdown? There are a few common culprits. The number one cause is often a wiring issue. The CAN bus wires can get damaged, frayed, or shorted out. This could be due to rubbing against a sharp edge, corrosion from water and salt, or even damage from a previous accident or repair. A poor connection at one of the main connectors, like the one on the back of the instrument panel cluster or at the body control module, can also take the whole network down. Another frequent cause is a faulty module. Any single control module on the network can fail internally and start flooding the bus with bad data, or just go completely silent. This is like having one person shouting nonsense on the conference call, making it impossible for anyone else to communicate. It could be the engine control module, the transmission control module, or even something less obvious. A weak or failing battery can also trigger a U0073 code. Modern vehicles are incredibly sensitive to voltage. If the battery voltage drops too low, especially during startup, it can cause the electronic modules to glitch and temporarily lose communication, setting the code. Even a bad ground connection for one of the modules can cause enough of an electrical issue to disrupt the CAN bus. Alright, let's talk about how to diagnose and fix this. First things first, check your battery. Make sure it's fully charged and the terminals are clean and tight. A simple voltage test can tell you a lot. If the battery is old or weak, replacing it might just be the easiest fix you'll ever do. If the battery is good, the next step is a visual inspection of the wiring. This is the detective work. You'll want to look closely at the main wiring harnesses, especially in areas where they might rub or get exposed to the elements. Pay close attention to the wiring near the parking brake mechanism and under the driver's side dash, as these are common chafe points on many GMC models. Also, inspect the main terminating resistors. There are usually 2 of them on the network, and if one fails, it can cause all sorts of communication problems. They're often located within the wiring harness itself or inside a module. If you have a more advanced scan tool, you can go a step further. A good scanner can show you which modules are online and which ones aren't communicating. This is a huge clue. If only one module is offline, that module itself or its wiring is the likely suspect. If multiple modules are offline, you're more likely looking at a network wiring problem between the modules that are still talking and the ones that have gone dark. You can then unplug modules one by one to see if communication is restored. If you unplug a module and all the others start talking again, you've found your culprit. Fixing the problem involves repairing any damaged wires you find. This means carefully cutting out the bad section, splicing a new wire using high-quality connectors, and protecting the repair with heat-shrink tubing. If you've isolated a bad module, it will need to be replaced. Keep in mind that many new modules require programming to your specific vehicle, so this might be a job best left to a professional if you're not equipped for that. And that's the rundown on GMC fault code U0073. It can be an intimidating code, but with a logical approach, you can often track down the source of the problem. Start with the simple stuff like the battery and a visual inspection before diving into the deep end. I hope this video helps you get your truck back on the road. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more diagnostic tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.